Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025.
The size on the plate on this one, what's the size plate on this?
It can like 13.3 inches there.
13.3 inches by 13, isn't it? By 13?
Here
now,
is the max build volume. Yeah.
Okay, the max build volume 13.6 by 7.65 on this one. Now, resin, what type of resins can it fulfill?
Actually, we do have different types of resin. We have the tough one, flexible one, and even biomedical resins.
Okay, so you got biomedical resins. That's a really good one that people are using for more like fillings and molds for the teeth and stuff like that. So this is their model. It's available on Amazon.
Yep, correct.
So you can find it on Amazon, and we're going to take a look at other products too. But this one is almost done, completed, and it's doing the cathedral. Now, time lapse. How much time did it take to do some of this?
For this, I think this is just 3 hours for this one. 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours on
Because
this.
that one over there,
Yeah.
if you can see that one, that figurine over there, that was consumed like 6 to 7 hours.
Yeah, but that's 2 different prints. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's not one print together. But it does some massive printing on this one. D800.
Yes. The cost for this is $1,500.
$1,500 for
But
this
the
one.
specification is all the same.
Same. And I think it's the same specs as a Saturn, it looks like. The size, plate-wise, that's what I'm saying, yeah.
What's the plate size for this one? The plate size?
It's 8.9.
8.9 and
8.9.
the height is 8 inches, right? Yeah.
8 inches. And this is available now. Your slicer, is it your slicer or you're using
Yes.
Cura or who?
Yes, we do have our own software.
Your own software, your own slicer. That's the problem where everybody has their own slicer.
Yeah. If you
Yeah.
buy the machine, it was already included and free of charge.
Is it compatible with Orca?
Sorry?
Orca slicer? Is it compatible?
As long as no, that's only
No.
on ours.
Cura?
NEX.
Do you have it on Cura?
As long as it's a steel or ODJ, we
Okay.
can convert it to NEX file. That's NEX file.
Okay.
That's our own brand.
How many ounces on the bottle of your
1 liter.
1 liter? 1 liter on it.
That is $65.
Not some of the prints they've done. These are, of course, painted, and there's maybe 3 or 4 pieces on this one. And then you can see the actual legging, 2 and 3, and then maybe the base 4.